Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uVanelo, so I'm back again with indaba zakweBetway Premiership. I'm sure abantu abaningi ade beyilindele ke le indaba lezi. Ama-team amaningi ayathenga kweBetway Premiership. Engabe yakhe i-team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala ngeindaba ebeyishisa ke namhlanje. Ngiyakhumbula ngishaya i-video regarding uFawaz Basadini neMamelodi Sundowns. It looks like umjida ke bafethu is set to join iMamelodi Sundowns according to SABC Sports. Umjida akahambanga with iStellenbosch FC bayoshaya ama-pre-season. Akahambanga with iStellenbosch bayoshaya ama-pre-season. It seems like umjida has planned a trip to Pretoria uyohlangana nama-representatives eMamelodi Sundowns with ama-agents akhe kuyokhuluma regarding yena ejoin iMamelodi Sundowns. Asazi le ndaba izohamba kanjani, but ke kuthiwa i-deal i-close ngempela. Singabona nje iMamelodi Sundowns i-announcer uFawaz Basadini as their new left back. iMamelodi Sundowns inama left backs amaningi, but ke last season we saw iMamelodi Sundowns iyaleka in that left back position. They need a quality left back who will cement that position and dominate iBetway Premiership and the global, not global per se, but the continent football. Yabo, because bahluleka bedlala kwiClub World Cup. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje, uNjabulo Ngcobo is currently training with iChippa United. Umjida lapha abam-assessa. Umjida right now uyi-free agent usathanda kurelease iSkhukhuno United. Menikhumbula kahle ke umjida wawina i-Defender of the Season ngo-2020-2021 season. Wajoin iKaizer Chiefs, career yakhe ayiphindanga yaba right. Asazi kwenzakalani kwiKaizer Chiefs, but ke umjida right now uyi-free agent. Angimbonanga ngisho udlala weSkhukhuno United. Mhlawumbe mina ngawabonanga ama-games amaningi eSkhukhuno, but I didn't see him playing for iSkhukhuno last season, but he was playing for iSkhukhuno. Kwezinye zeindaba zabadlali bale South Africa, umdlali bafethu wale South Africa odlala le phesheya uGift Links is extended his stay lapha. Angikwazi ukulipronounce leli gama, ungangitshela ama-comments lipronounce kanjani, but ke umjida the former Cape Town City kuthiwa ujoine i-team yaseDenmark. Leya team leya imthenge ngemali engango 800 euros, 800k euros. Umjida ngempela is valued ngempela. I don't think ikhona i-team la kuBetway Premiership engazama ukumthenga ngaleya mali leya. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iToyota Cup yeKaizer Chiefs izodlala kuSABC 1. Ungayiphuthela kwake le game, ungawathenga ama-tickets, hamba wathenga ama-tickets. Izobidlala iMos Mabhida uma ufuna ukuyibuka live, but ke uzoyibuka live kuSABC 1 futhi again. Kanti ke uma uthenga ithikithi ungayibeka ethubeni lokuthi uwine imoto. iKaizer Chiefs izobiphisana ngemoto lapha benoToyota, so ungayibeka ethubeni elihle lokuthi uyowina imoto lapha. So hamba uthenga ithikithi uyobuka igame live, noma uyidlalele ekhaya uma ungekho eThekwini uyibone kuSABC 1 noma kuSABC Plus. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu, iSkhukhuno United siyasayina ngempela. Sebesayine uOlerato Mandi ona 22 years old oqhamuka le kwiPretoria Kellies. Ezinye zeindaba engizwile namhlanje kuthiwa iAngola bafethu iprepare ukuyodlala le kwiChan. Njengoba beyodlala kwiChan bazodlala i-friendly match with iOrlando Pirates. Asazi ke lezi zinto izowenzeka kanjani, but ke sijwayele ukwabona ama-national teams edlala with ama-team. So sobona iOrlando Pirates idlala against iOrlando Pirates, not Orlando Pirates. Sobona iOrlando Pirates idlala against iAngola, isquad se-Angola lesi siyodlala le kwiChan tournament. So angazi ke uGilberto noma uzodlala kuyi-opposing team ngoba phela Orlando Pirates it looks like ngebambuyise umjida. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile namhlanje kuthiwa iMLS side iSt. Louis iconfirmile ukuthi uNjabulo Blom imove yakhe yokujoina i-team yaseVietnam ipermanent. Umjida ngiyasabuyela le kwiSt. Louis. Yabo useyodlala nje le Vietnam ngokuphelele, akasabuyeli le America. Kwezinye zeindaba engiyitholile bafethu, attacking midfielder uStevens from iMamelodi Sundowns ushaya ama-trial le eFrance. Ushaya ama-trial for iclub edlala kuLeague 2. Njengoba nimbona nje bafethu umjida nange lapha. I hope izinto zamhambela kahle ayijoyine leya club leya. Kwezinye zeindaba esiyitholile, iMamelodi Sundowns duo uOnele Rulwana and uThulani Zandamela are close to completing a season-long loan move to iPretoria AmaTuks. A club agreement has been reached. Benikhumbula kahle ke iMamelodi Sundowns ba-reacha vele isivumelwano with iPretoria University. AmaTuks ke bashaya isivumelwano sokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ikwazi ukulona abadlali khona, iSundowns futhi iphinde ukwazi ukuthenga abadlali khona. So banesivumelwano esihle bafethu iPretoria, iUniversity of Pretoria with iMamelodi Sundowns. Izinto ezikanje sazoyibona nje senzeka. Benikhumbula isivumelwano seMamelodi Sundowns with iSuperSport United, engathi isivumelwano sabo sizophela siqhubeke nesamaTuks. kwezinye izindaba futhi engizwile njengoba ngangishilo ucoach lo oqhamuka kwi-SuperSport United obecoacha i-TTC side i-SuperSport United will become the new coach of the Orlando Pirates, the new TTC coach of Orlando Pirates, not the new coach, because we have the new coach here. It seems like sayishintsha impela impilo yakhe umjida ngiyambona usephatha yikho ameyibizayo yabona nje impilo yakhe ishintshile umjida useyicoach team enkulu manje. I hope njengoba beprepare ukuyodlala against iPolokwane City izinto izohamba